What's up, Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going through and sharing with you products that I am going to try to use up this summer. And I did say that I was going to try to do a video on the things that I have used up from my Black Friday stash. So sometime in May, I was going to try to do it this month, because that would be 6 months after I did the whole Black Friday haul and restocked everything. So I just want to give you guys an idea of what has been used up and how my place looks now since I've used up some stuff. And that was an idea that one of my subscribers gave me. So this kind of falls right into it. So these are the things that I want to go ahead and get used up because I don't have a lot of it left and there's no reason for it to be taking up space on my shelf. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the shampoos, I'm going to go ahead and try to use up this Royal Honey and Argan Conditioning Shampoo. And it's not going to take anything because it's down to here. So this is going to be like an initial wash or whatever. I'm going to turn it upside down. It's going to be initial wash. And then I'll go in with another shampoo. And then if I need a clarifying shampoo, I will be using up the... oh, it's hiding right here. I'll be using up the Nature's Little Secret Lemon and Rosemary Clarifying Shampoo. It's about to here, so I'll be using it up if I need a clarifier. If not, I'll just be using the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Shampoo. So I'll be using that up. That's what I'm going to be trying to use up for my shampoos, okay? For conditioners, I am going to be using up the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus More Moisture Please Deep Conditioner. Looks like that. So don't have a lot of it left. It's probably about right here. So I have about half of it left. So I want to go ahead and get it used up because these are pretty good ingredients. Natural ingredients are used. I want to go ahead and get them used up before they go bad. So I'll be using that up. I also will be trying to use up the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner. So I'll go ahead and try to get that used up as well. Don't have a lot of it left. So yeah. So these are going to be the two conditioners that I try to get used up. And it's not going to take no time to get these used up because, you know, I like to deep condition. So yeah, I'll be using those up for deep conditioners. For leave-ins, I'm going to try to get this As I Am Classic leave-in conditioner used up. I don't have much of it left either. If I can see, I think it's about right to here. So I want to go ahead and get that used up. I also want to get used up the Curls Poppin' Pineapple So Smooth Vitamin C leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it's only a little bit here and I've been having it for a while. So I want to get that used up. Guys, sorry if my camera keeps going in and out. Next thing I want to use up is the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Detangler. I used this recently, so I want to go ahead and finish it up. It's about down to here, and I don't know that I have any of this left. I remember when I got this, I hadn't had it for a long time, then I was able to get it, and now I'm about out of it again. I also want to use up the Camille Rose Coconut Water Hydrating Elixir. I'll use this as a leave-in as well. It's about down to here. I might put these two together. I don't know how that'll work or not, but we'll see. And then I want to use up to the TGIN Rose Water Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. So it looks like this. Now, I do have a lot of this left, but I did a review on the Rosewater line and it was just review. So I pulled this out because I want to use up the curl defining gel that goes to it. So I don't have a lot of it left. It's down to here and I just want to retry it again. A lot of you love this leave-in, so it'll give me an opportunity to use it again and see how I like it. And then if I use it with this, it'll give me an opportunity to use up the gel. So now we are into the gels. So yeah, that's the first gel that I want to use up. Oh, hold on one second, sorry. So another leave-in I want to use up is the She Scented Passion Fruit and Flax Creamy leave-ins. So yeah, it's about right here, so I want to use it up. So I think that's it for my leave-ins. Now for my creams, I want to use up the Curl Origin Maracuja Defining Curl Cream. It's about right here. Again, natural ingredients. I want to go ahead and get it used up. It's been open for a while. She Scented and Curl Origin are like sister companies, so they both make things with really good ingredients in them, and you want to try to use them as quickly as you can. Another cream I want to use up is the Camille Rose Curl-Aid Moisture Butter with green tea. Ooh, it smells good, guys. It has hair in it. I don't want to show you, but it is about down to here, so I do want to use it up. And I love the Curl-Aid Moisture Butter. I need to get back to using it. It's really good to put under harder holding gels, especially if you're trying to do a low bun, a high bun, any kind of slick back style. This is really good under a hard holding gel, so I want to use that up. And then I also want to use up the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey and Morphura Oil Intense Hydrating Conditioner. So it's about right here. I'm already, I believe, out of the shampoo. I might have just a little bit of the shampoo left downstairs too, so if I do, I'll be using that shampoo as well. But yeah, I want to get this line used up because I'm out of the other stuff from this line, so I want to get that used up. So that is it for my leave-ins and creams, I believe. So now let's go into the gel. So I already showed you the TGIN. I'm going to be using it up. I also want to try to use up this Camille Rose Curl Maker. I've mentioned it before. I've had it for a while. It's probably on its last leg as well. So far it still looks good. But guys, tell me again how I need to use this. Okay, so I know a couple of you said, oh, try it with this. And I was like, oh, I should try that. But I don't remember what it was and who said it. So I don't have to go all the way back into old comments and stuff. If you guys have a idea for me for the curl maker, a combo that I can use or whatever, let me know. Jot it down in this video and let me know so I can try to get to it. Back in the day, I really liked the curl maker when I was newly natural, but then a little bit later, I didn't like it as much. And so I don't know, maybe I'll like it again now that my hair is a little bit longer. I don't know, we'll see. But I do want to use it up. I also want to use up the Honey and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Gelée by Curl Origin. I used this not too long ago and I want to use it up. I believe I said that I liked it. I just wish it had a little bit more hold, and I think I ended up using it again with a harder holding gel on top, and that was better for me, which, you know, worked out fine. Might do that again, but I definitely want to get this used up. If you have any ideas about how I can use this, what combo I can use, let me know. So I want to get that used up. I also want to get used up the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. So it's down to here. Remember I said I wanted to try this for a wash and go, and I ended up buying another one of these around Black Friday. I don't remember if it was this one or the one before, so that goes to tell you, because I've got one up there and it's old. But I do want to try use this up and then maybe open that for a wash and go to see how it works. But then I also have the Curls Ultimate Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel, and I only have a little bit of it left. Yeah, I want to use it up too. Maybe I can use this for a twist out. I don't know, because I did do a wash and go with this, I believe. It's old, it's on my channel, I'll link it here. And it turned out okay, but it was, I think it was a fluffy wash and go. So maybe I can try to use this up during the twist out for a little extra hold. I don't know, let me know. But I definitely want to get those used up from Curls. And then, guys, this is pretty much empty. This should just be in my empties. I was gonna say I want to use up this Lemongrass Styling Gel, which, you know, I put a lot of y'all onto this. This is a harder holding gel, and y'all probably ready for me to get back to this because some of y'all like hard holding gels. But this isn't enough to do any hair with, and it's kind of crumbly. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my empties. I'm not gonna try to deal with that. And my other ones are full and new, so I'm not gonna try to open those right now. I want to use up the stuff that I already have open, so sorry about that. Next thing I want to use up is the Tahiti Cocktail Curl Enhancing Jelly Custard. Just used this recently. I'll link it here. Love this custard. It's almost gone. It's about down to here. I'm hoping I can get a whole nother wash and go with this, but I don't know. I'm gonna be pushing it and then it's gonna be gone, guys. I'm tempted to buy some more because I like this. I think if I had more of these, this would be my custard for the summer, my summer wash and go. That's how much I like this. If they have a sale, I'm gonna get some more. I'm just gonna tell you now, but I do wanna use this up. Also, I want to use up the Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Nourishing Styling Gel, which I just did a review on not too long ago. There's only a very little bit of it left, and I might have to mix it with something. And if I do, that's fine. Hopefully it works and won't flake. If I have to mix it, maybe I'll mix it with the African Pride Curl Defining Gel, the aloe and coconut one, because I want to use it up as well. So as you can see, it's down to here. This is a little bit harder hold, but it's still not too hard for me. But these two, they kind of remind me of each other as far as application is concerned. So maybe I can try to mix those two together. Not sure. I also want to use up the KC by Curl Gel Essence Gel, which is about halfway gone. So I need to use it up. Yeah, I need to use it up. I was thinking I could do these two, but I think I got enough of this to use it by itself as for a wash and go. So maybe I will put those two together. Next thing I want to use up is the Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. There you go. Don't have a lot in here. It's about down to here. And then I think I have a very little bit downstairs as well. So I'll get those two used up together. Maybe I'll mix them together, use them for a wash and go. And last but not least, as far as gels are concerned, I want to use up the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Flaxseed Defining Styling Gel. This did not go good for me the first time I used it. It did not go good for me. But I did say that I wanted to revisit it. I thought I did. I don't think I used this twice. It looks like I did because I used a lot. Maybe I used too much, and that might be why I went south on me. I got flaking bad. Did I reuse this? Did I revisit this? I need to go back and check. But I don't have a lot in here. I do want to use it up. If it looks like I've already used this twice, if I go back and I see that I've already used it twice, then I might go ahead and just pass this on. But if I only used it once and got the flaking once, then I might try it again a different way and see if I get different results. But I definitely have this that I need to use up as well. So that is a lot of gels, but again, it's wash and go season, so hopefully I can get through these. So those are the gels that I definitely want to use up. I do have some other ones open, but they're a little more full, so I might be able to get to those too as well. I don't know, but these are the main ones I want to use up. And then last but not least, I have this Wash Day Delight Cream Detangler or Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner by Carol's Daughter. And I should have put this in with the conditioners, but I'm not going to be using it as a conditioner. I'm going to be using this as a pre-poo. So it's only a little bit here in here. Want to use it up because it does have a lot of slit. So I like it for the slit for a pre-poo, and because it has silicones in it, I can then go in with a clarifier or a sulfate shampoo or something to get the silicones off of my hair, but then I'm still able to use this up. So that is what I plan on doing with this. So yeah, guys, I know that was a lot of stuff. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. I know that was a lot of stuff, but those are the things that I really am going to try to get through first. I'm gonna start using them right away this season, and hopefully I can get through this stuff, and then I can start getting into some new things. I know some of you sent me products, and I'm still gonna get to those. Believe me, I'm gonna get your stuff in soon, because I know y'all waiting, you spent your money on it, you wanna see me review it. So I am gonna get to it, I am gonna review it, but these are going to be things that I'm going to be trying to rotate in as well and get rid of, so you guys can see this stuff in my next empties video. But anyway guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And until next time, thanks for watching guys. Bye.